Good morning, Frost family. We back with another video. And y'all, today we are headed to Dallas, Texas. Y'all, I'm pretty excited about it. It's a road trip. We've been going on a road trip. Road trip. We got everything ready. Excuse the dog in the background. Got everything ready. Waiting on Sean, my cousin. But yeah, y'all. So stay tuned for a lot of video uploads. A lot of action. We got a lot of stuff planned. I ain't gonna ruin it by telling y'all right now, but we got stuff planned.
Yeah, I know, but I can tell y'all. Can I tell them?
We made it, y'all, to Little Rock. Well, we're still in Little Rock. But y'all, we at the famous Loves. Got Trinity with me. Ashton.
I don't know what this is.
Yeah, just going inside. So y'all, I'm just really giving y'all an update. Hello. Good morning. I'm just really giving y'all an update to where we at.
Oh my God,
Trinity, no, you can't get nothing, baby. What in the Skittle Pop? No, we're not getting nothing. We coming here to use the restroom. We got souvenirs. All right, y'all, stay tuned on this road trip to Dallas, to Texas. In Texas. We made it in Texas. Yeah, actually, Texas is big. Texas is big. But we like 30 minutes away from Dallas. Check out the crew. Got Jessica in the building. What you say, Pooh? Got Ashton in the building, of course.
oh my God, I saw a bird that's just laying sitting on the ground.
Cause we sitting in the. So yeah, we made it to Buc-ees. The biggest gas station.
Biggie, you can't see.
The biggest gas station.
I saw ATM.
There he is.
In there, I saw ATM.
Hello. What's who?
My daddy couldn't hold on.
Ooh, feel good in here.
Well, I'm going to put some.
It feel good, y'all. Buc-ees got it all. Let me show y'all this gas station. This gas station big. Where you going? Look at her. That girl stay leaving somebody. Look at these cute little pictures.
That's how he made them. It said Buc-ees. Oh, 100.
You heard him. Alright. Look at her. She couldn't wait. That girl couldn't wait. Yeah, they got different hot sauces. Dill pickle Justin. Dill pickle. Look at Ash. You ain't get Ash or nothing. He over here. You over here? What, Pooh? Ashley said, can he get a slushie? He pointing at it. Did you already pay for that? They got a Buckees fun straw. Let's see. What they got over here? Just food? No.
Can we get Buckees sugar?
You want a slushy? Where? You want a slushy, Ash? Let's get Ashton a slush. Look at her getting refills. Can I get a refill? Yep, get the smallest one. Ashton, get the smallest one. Oh, hold up. There y'all go. Pina colada, cherry lemonade, wild water. Yeah, but don't do that. You wasted it.
Like, do they got a green one?
No. This is the same as this one. Hey, Ashton.
This one's good.
Ashton, you OD in it. Look at your cousin.
Ash, you supposed to hop on first.
You OD.
Should I get the blueberry or should I get the chocolate?
I got some kind of like Jessica's.
Charity, if you don't fill that up, oh my goodness, give it it.
I don't want to feel it.
You need to. We paying for this. Them kids something else, 99 cents. They want to see what's over here. She coming. ODing. They got a whole barbecue section.
Ashton, you want a sandwich?
Brisket. They got brisket, chicken, a club sandwich. Come on.
There's like the glass and stuff you can decorate the house with.
Yeah, I heard Jessica. She said she need to get out this store. But she feel like spending some money. I ain't gonna lie, it do look good though. It do look like money gonna be spent. I ain't gonna lie to y'all.
Oh, they're going next. Oh, I like that neck ring.
Ooh, you ain't getting it.
I really like it.
It is cute though. Look at these. That swimsuit is nice. These swimsuits are nice. Oh, they're just $11. That ain't bad. All right, let's get on up out of here now.
Please stitch. I'm
We used to have that back in the day. $6.99 for this. What?
How long is this?
No. We're not buying nothing out of here. We're just browsing. Yeah, just looking.
We gonna go fishing or something?
Nah, but look. They cooking with this. That's amazing. Look at all these books. The Wayne, The Rock. Ooh, Cole. Betty. Harriet Tubman. Simone Biles. Oh, they doing it. Oh, they... You sure can. You had plenty of them before. No, you're not getting that. See how you put stuff. Look at these souvenirs. Now this is nice, Jessica. The souvenirs.
What?
Little souvenirs. Give me a Texas. Oh, that's big.
That's for girls. Just for girls.
I'm a girl, and this for girls and boys. I think $5 is a nice little price.
No stick. No stick. Trinity, what is this?
Yeah, I'm gonna get one of them. I think $5 is a nice little price, Jessica.
Oh, they got a cowboy hat?
$6.99.
Fine day out here.
You fit right on it. Yeah. Do it again, Jessica. Yes, sir. Yeah, she fit right in. I like this. This cute. El Paso, Fort Worth, Dallas. They got everything on here. San Antonio. Everything on there. All right, let's rock and roll, y'all. No, ma'am. No. All right, let's get on up out of here. All right, Frosted. We made it to the B&B, y'all. I'm about to give y'all a quick little rundown on what it's looking like. For exclusive content, make sure y'all go check out my TikTok at Latoya Frost, Grubbing with Latoya, whichever one y'all want to do. But I'm finna go and give y'all a quick little rundown on what this B&B looking like, y'all. As y'all can see, I am in the restroom area right now. So, got a nice little cool little tub. Tub a little short there. Got Trinity in a cut. Y'all go check out Trinity's Clubhouse. She gonna do a little quick little house tour over there on her page. Got the toilet in here. His and hers, to be exact. Got the cool little closet.
Oh, that's nice.
Now, if y'all want to see,
Look at the shower.
if y'all want to see what it's looking like without everything.
Instead of using that, take this shower.
How long, Pooh? When you do yours, we'll get you, baby. This is what the room looking like. Looking like. We got the family right here. We about to order some pizza. This the kitchen. Got a nice little table. Cool little backyard. Nice little backyard for the kids to run and play. Whatever you want to do, because I said you the driver. You know, I know that can be tiring. It's whatever you want to do. I'm good. I'm cool with whatever. Got a pantry. We should take a vote. What you want to do, Jessica? Okay, so Jessica at home. Oh, got a nice little TV. We got this nice little area right here. A nice little area right here. Nice little area. We got Jessica. We got the kids' little room. Like I said, y'all, if y'all want an exclusive house tour without everything stocked in here, go check out my TikTok. Got a nice little chair right there.
But why you can't get over here? Yeah, you got a whole laundry room. You do the laundry.
Got a whole laundry room.
You do the laundry. Why can't you be over here?
It's a nice little laundry.
Huh?
Jessica closed her room door on us. Got a nice little room. Jessica little room. You can open the blinds if you want to. Cutesy. That's all. Okay, got Jessica in there. Okay. Cool little restroom. Hall. Another little room. But yeah, y'all, like I said, if y'all want some exclusive content, go check out my TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok. We having a little.
Mom,
What y'all know about chess?
they won't let me play.
Well, it's only 2 players. You have to wait. Or we can play this right here with the ball. But yeah, I was just showing y'all a house tour. I'm gonna end this video right here. We finna go get some pizza. We finna just chill out. Sean drove the whole way. I know she a little tired, so we're gonna be chilling today, y'all, for the rest of the night. We got something to drink. Matter of fact, I need to put that in the freezer. That's checkers. That's checkers. You play that with that board that they on right now. But yeah, y'all, if y'all made it this far in the video, thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Hit that post notification bell so you can know every time that I post. I will be posting. I'm finna show you. I will be posting probably every other day, something like that. But stay tuned for the content we get out here in Dallas, Texas, y'all. Love y'all. I'm out.